Hello dear students, welcome to Digital School. Today we are going to learn a new chapter in English. So let's get started. Our today's topic is Ducks Don't Get Wet. Yes, it's a poem, so let's start with the reading. A duck is waterproof. Water rolls off his back because oil and water don't mix, and that's a proven fact. Preening every day in damp or sunny weather, he spreads oil with his bill over each lovely feather. Yes, the poet is telling that a duck is waterproof. Water is never on the back of the duck. And why it is so? Because oil and water don't mix, and that is a proven fact. As you can see, this is a duck. If you look at this duck, it is swimming here. It is going through the waters, but still, if you look at its feathers, it is absolutely not wet. And there is an example used for this. If you can see, this is a glass. This part is water and the above is oil. And as you can see, they both don't mix. Yes, this is the example used to understand that as oil and water don't mix, similar way, the duck is told as waterproof. Now, what is the meaning of proven? Proven means tested and shown to be true. Now, what does the duck do every day? It is preening. What is preening? If you can see in this image, you can see the duck is cleaning, is doing something with the beak to its feathers. And what it is doing, let us understand. Preening means cleaning itself, making its feathers smooth with its beak. If you can see over here, the duck is using its beak to clean its feathers in damp or sunny weather. That means in damp means slightly wet, whether it is a rainy or sunny time, still the duck keeps on cleaning it. He spreads oil with its bill. And what is this bill now? You can see this is the bill. It means beak. Hard pointed or curved outer part of a bird's mouth is called as bill. So every day the duck, with the help of its beak, keeps on spreading oil to each and every feathers. Okay, let's go to the next slide. When he dives underwater looking for food to eat, his oily feathers keep him dry from his head down to his feet. A duck is waterproof. Water rolls off his back because oil and water don't mix, and that's a proven fact. Yes. Now, as you can see in this image, the duck is diving under the water and it is searching for food. But even when it is diving under the water, the feathers are not oily. They are still dry from head to its feet. And yes, this is again a proof which tells that duck is waterproof, and that is a very proven fact. Yes, children, I hope that you have understood the poem very well. Watch it once again and get the better understanding. Meet you soon with the next video. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye, children.